Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today, in a very, very special place, of course, in a hangar, about to work on a Super King Air, and we're gonna make it look exquisite. It's gonna turn out absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you before. We're gonna walk around the aircraft. We're gonna see the defects. We're gonna see how bad a shape that it's in, and then we're gonna get into the process of making it look better, making it look beautiful, and making it look exquisite. That's a jet that's taking off behind me, so it's a little loud. So let me go ahead and show you this here. And before I get started, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. These are pretty. It's gorgeous. There's a lot of staining right here. I don't know what this is. It may or may not come off. We're gonna try to work with that. That should come off. So let's take a look over here.